Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Looking for the perfect homemade summer drink to cool you down? This easy lime cordial recipe is a game changer. Make your own refreshing virgin mojito, Falooda Seeds cooler or lemonade in minutes. Way better than store-bought. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll show you how to make this zesty lime cordial step by step. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious lime cordial. Step 1. Juicing the limes. We have taken 12 fresh limes, weighing approximately 500 grams. From the 12 limes, you need to use the zest of 3 limes. Take a lime and remove a thin layer of the skin. Try and avoid the white part that's under the skin as it is bitter. If there is any remaining, then remove it using a knife.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Our lime zest is ready. Now cut the limes into 2 and then remove the seeds. Squeeze out the juice. Do this for all the limes. Strain the lime juice to remove any leftover seeds. After removing the juice from all the 12 limes, we got around 3/4 cup of juice. These limes from which you have extracted the juice can be used to make our delicious sweet and sour lime pickle. The link for our recipe is given above and also in the description box. Step 2. Ingredients for the lime cordial. Since we got 3/4 cup of fresh lime juice, we will need to use 3/4 cup of water, which is equal to the quantity of lime juice. We will use 1.5 cups of sugar, double the quantity of the lime juice. Around half cup of fresh mint leaves. 2 pinches of salt. Step 3. Preparing the lime cordial. Place a thick bottom pan on low heat. Add 3/4 cup of water. Now add the sugar and stir until it is dissolved. Let the mixture boil on low heat. Now add the zest of 3 limes. Add the fresh mint leaves. Boil for 5 minutes to infuse the flavors. Now add the freshly squeezed lime juice and simmer for another 5 minutes. Stir it nicely. Add the salt. Stir everything nicely. Once done, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Once it is cooled, strain the cordial. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Store it in a glass bottle and refrigerate. It stays fresh for weeks. Our easy homemade lime cordial is ready. Have it during summer and enjoy. Now we will show you how to use this lime cordial to make a refreshing lemonade or a Falooda Seeds cooler and also a virgin mojito. Just add 60 ml of Urak in our virgin mojito recipe and you get an outstanding Urak Mojito. These refreshing drinks will surely help you beat the heat this summer. Step 4. Making the classic lemonade. Take a tall glass. To make refreshing lemonade, just add 3 to 4 tablespoons of our homemade lime cordial, roughly around 45 to 60 ml. Then add some ice cubes. Top it up with chilled soda. Stir it nicely to ensure the lime cordial mixes properly with the soda. Our refreshing lemonade is ready to enjoy. Step 5. Making a refreshing Falooda Seeds cooler. Soak and keep the Falooda seeds ready. Also keep a handful of fresh mint leaves ready. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soaked Falooda seeds in a tall glass. Add fresh mint leaves. Add a pinch of chaat masala or kala namak. Pour in 3 to 4 tablespoons of homemade lime cordial, roughly around 45 to 60 ml. Then add some ice cubes. Top it up with chilled soda. Stir it nicely to ensure the lime cordial mixes properly with the soda. Garnish with a lime wedge and then place a straw. Our hydrating and refreshing Falooda Seeds Cooler is ready. Step 6. Making a classic virgin mojito. Cut some slices of lime and keep them ready. Also keep a handful of fresh mint leaves. Start by adding some fresh mint leaves and a few lime slices in a tall glass. Pour in 3 to 4 tablespoons of homemade lime cordial, roughly around 45 to 60 ml. Use a muddler to gently press the mint leaves and lime wedges. This helps to release its juices. Add a pinch of salt. Then add some ice cubes. Top it up with some chilled soda. Stir it nicely to ensure the lime cordial mixes properly with the soda. Garnish with a lime wedge, mint leaves, and then place a straw. Our delicious and refreshing classic virgin mojito is ready. Just add 60 ml of Urak in our virgin mojito recipe and you get an outstanding Urak mojito. So which is your favorite? Virgin mojito, Falooda Seeds Cooler or classic lemonade? Or you can simply come up with your own mix and make a delicious mocktail. Let us know in the comments section. Stay cool, stay refreshed this summer. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members and help them to also stay cool and refreshed this summer.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.